I was created as the thing I seek. So says A Course in Miracles, lesson 318 for today. This week has been so revealing and so wonderful with the time I've taken with coaching clients and the wisdom that I've received back and to help them and we help one another. A 15-year-old struggling with that identity and struggling with those habits of thoughts, a CFO who is at the very top, but yet the intrinsic value that's in the toilet, the 36-year-old woman who's taken 8 years in a relationship and invested so much time, money, energy, and effort, but wonders why it didn't work and there's something going on, and but yet doesn't want to leave because the other person is so wonderful, but yet she is so frustrated and so empty, and a middle-aged couple trying to save that marriage, someone who had to leave over the weekend all of suddenly, and come to find out it was with a family member whose 26-year-old daughter was talking about committing suicide, and she had so many things all together, and such it was such a shock to everybody and what was happening. Folks, it is time for Twisdomology. It's time for a spiritual wisdom today that replaces all sin and shaming with all fun and claiming. Sin is nothing more than missing the mark, missing that which we're really called to. And we got to replace that with fun. And we got to replace all this shaming of what we're shaming ourselves, shaming others, shaming political beliefs, religious beliefs, all this shaming and claiming who we really are. So, Twisdomology, this is what it's about. A Twisdomologist is someone who commits to cultivating inner wealth through mastery of their thoughts, time, and commitments, tapping into their innate wisdom. They default to intrinsic values, both their own and others, rather than extrinsic opinions or validation, designing a life that succeeds in every area and relationship. This brings unshakable peace, personal power, and goodwill. Driven by a purpose beyond themselves, they transform daily to embody everything they seek in life. You see, I am that which I seek. Through these 10 powerful principles, a Twisdomologist impacts both their life and the world each day, adding fun to the journey. And folks, if it's not fun, we're not going to do it. And that's what I love doing, is helping people make fun of all these things that are going on. The 10 principles of Twisdomology reveres every moment, treats each of the 86,400 seconds in a way as a sacred resource, a gift to pursue wisdom, deepen purpose, and of course, to have fun. Every second builds their legacy of inner peace. One of Ogmandino's scrolls is, "Today I will laugh at the world." We've got to laugh more. We got to laugh at ourselves. Crafts a life vision built on truth. Takes time to tap into their wisdom, developing a vision that guards against anything that compromises their values. And yes, sometimes that's even your own beliefs that you had for 35 years. And then you realize that it wasn't in sync with your own soul. That's what happened to me. With wisdom as their compass, they face life's challenges with integrity and fun, knows their unique purpose, embraces their unique calling, knowing each experience is meant to awaken deeper wisdom. Guided by purpose, they live meaningfully, intentionally, and have fun along the way. Folks, our time that we spent and all the things we've learned or haven't learned, all those things that our innate wisdom is trying to tell us, it's our soul intelligence speaking up, saying it's your time to have fun. Lives authentically connected by love, finds joy in being fully themselves, living in each moment, embracing their uniqueness, yet deeply connected to all others through the unifying force of love, and joyfully through fun. Values power of love over love of power. Understands the profound power of love, prioritizing it over control. Think of the last time you had a conversation, especially with loved ones, those that you're closest to. You would never speak to some people outside your homes or outside your business the way you speak to people inside. What is that all about? It's about missing on the intrinsic value of ourselves and others. They listen deeply, speak wisely, lead with humility, and have fun letting love guide the way. Folks, when love is guiding the way, there's nothing but fun in it. Acts with integrity, not ego. Seeks wisdom to pursue what is right, not who is right. Acting with integrity, they build a mindset, will set, and skill set rooted in harmony and make room for fun. Chooses peace in relationships, allows time and wisdom to guide every relationship and decision, adhering to one rule: peace over conflict. They foster relationships based on mutual respect, understanding, and yes, fun. Gotta make fun of this. Forgives, forgets, and frees themselves, lives fully in the present, letting wisdom release them from the past. They focus on healing at the source rather than reliving old wounds, freeing themselves and having fun. Seeks inner fulfillment over being right. Being right destroys every marriage, destroys every relationship, destroys companies, pursues wisdom over ego, letting go of the need to prove anything by prioritizing health, happiness, wisdom, wealth, and satisfaction. They cultivate genuine inner wealth and find joy and fun in it. If the journey is not fun, you're not going to keep taking it. Expands expands beyond self-imposed limits, embraces time and wisdom as pathways to limitless growth, knowing that in transforming themselves, they help transform the world. A Twisdomologist commits to a life of courage, curiosity, and continuous evolution, leaving a legacy of boundless potential, global impact, and making Earth the most fun place in the solar system to visit for a few years. I've been on this trip for 71 years, hopefully another 40. I invite you to live a life of Twisdomology. Take the Habit Finders Assessment on my homepage, defalco.com. I promise you, I'm going to send you back a personalized video of your results, because it's our habits of thoughts that destroy this innate wisdom of ours, that destroys and sabotages our time, and why we don't get things done, or why we get too many things done and we're overwhelmed. So take that habits of thoughts assessment on defalco.com, and let's really do, it's the first time in history that we've been able to measure mindset, will set, skill set, all in one assessment. It's not a personality assessment. It's so much deeper than that. You get your own portal, a 44-page report, and I want to help you live a life of Twisdomology. So hopefully I'll see yours come through, and that I want to help you become a Twisdomologist. Come and join me. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.